majority of our business, probably 85%, was through Airbnb.
We discovered the Boostly Academy in December 2020 through the Hospitality Community Facebook group. It really does do what it says on the tin. It's given us the tools, the tips and the tricks to massively improve our business.
We've now moved to a position where only 5% of our business is through Airbnb.
We've managed to create a good pricing strategy that we're comfortable with.
We also feel very much part of a community. We feel very much more in control, and we've made our business much more profitable.
I would not be working on the growth of my business if it was not for Mark Simpson and his team. Mark is a prolific podcaster and YouTuber, and you can't get away from him because he constantly reminds us every day what we should do in our business. Every day he makes us accountable to take action, one action to move our business forward. Mark does this without asking for anything in return. Not many companies or people out there care. I, for one, am grateful for him and his team, and humbled he still makes time for me personally and for my business.
Mark knew a lot about hospitality, and he knew about how to do marketing to attract the right kinds of guests and how to reduce the amount of money flowing to people like Airbnb and Booking.com, and instead that money flow into my business. I really wanted access to Mark's unwavering capability to put all of his knowledge into one place, and that's exactly what the Academy is. There's bits of knowledge in there which will help you with your business. I've now made lifelong friends, or I'd class lifelong friends. It's been a real good resource to help me grow my business, which is now at 14 units and still growing.
One of Mark's things is that if you don't get back a return from joining Boostly, is that I'll give you your money back. I would say right now that we have probably doubled, tripled, whatever you want to say, what our payment was to join the Boostly Academy. It is amazing. It gives you great tools. You can pick and choose what you need. You don't have to follow everything all at once, and you can just work out what is going to work out for you and for your business.
I've been part of the hospitality community for over 5-6 years now. Decided to go with the Boostly Academy late 2019, early 2020. And I've not regretted it. You can pop in, pop out whenever you've got some time to brush up on knowledge or to learn something new, help my business, to get more bookings. Just go for it, and you got it for life, and you can use it whenever you like to. So go for it.
Anyway, what I like about the Boostly Academy is the interactive nature. Mark's always on hand to provide us with training for various subject areas. The video training actually shows you and takes you through step by step. In addition to the support from Mark and his team, it's actually the support of other Boostly members. In the Boostly Facebook group, everyone wants to be there. They've paid to be there. They're positive people. I just like that camaraderie. If you're on the fence, if you're thinking about, should I join the Boostly Academy? Absolutely. Why shouldn't you?
I joined off the back of a 5-day challenge, which was incredible by itself, and it just made sense for me to join the Academy because it's like a library of resources. You can literally jump into the back office and pick what it is you might be looking for. There's so much in there that would benefit all hosts. I would really recommend that anybody in the hospitality industry joins. It's really nice to be doing things as a team rather than by yourself. It's a really lovely community and network, which is one of the main reasons I'm stayed in the Academy, because you can literally jump into the Facebook group, which is also part of it. It's very active community, it's very friendly, and it's like a little family. So I would 100% recommend the Boostly Academy, and I'm very pleased I joined. Really good to join the group, some really great hints and tips. Mark pushes out some really good content. Since joining Mark, we're now on apartment 5, one of which we don't even list on the other platforms and has been fully booked. Since joining Mark, we have taken over £36,000 in direct bookings. Before joining that, it was under £2,000. The massive help has been for all the skills and the tools Mark's taught us along the way, which has been really helpful. You absolutely will get your money back. We've got our money back. We're very grateful for joining and grateful what Mark and his team have all pushed out and the training that they've delivered.
I did the 5-day challenge. I learnt so much in that week. Mark had the offer to join the Boostly Academy. I thought, well, it's an investment. You've got a business, you've got to invest in it. So I invested in it and I haven't looked back. There's always different tutorials on there, stuff in the vaults, anything you want to find. If you can't find it, you just pop a post and someone will answer you. Any questions, anything at all. It's the best money that I invested for the business.
I really did like what Mark had to say, and that was all hashtag book direct. It was all about getting direct bookings, something that I had no idea how to do. I attended one of Mark's 5-day free challenges and I got so much information out of that, learned so much that I thought, right, I'm going to join this Boostly Academy. So I signed up and I've never looked back. This training is accredited as well, which gives me confidence that it is worth doing.
When we joined Boostly, we were looking at about £30,000 for the year. Now we're heading into the region of 500,000 for the year, so that's quite a big turnaround. And even though Mark looks short on Facebook, he really is a giant.
Boostly Academy has empowered me and given me the hints and tips to really make the most of the free platforms that we've got to market our business, and we have had really fantastic results. Mark is full of knowledge and advice. He's always there to give you the tools and a push in the right direction when you need it. I honestly can't recommend Boostly enough, and if you're thinking about joining, then do it. You won't regret it.